Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Have you ever painted water droplet? Do you think is it easy or not? My answer is it's not difficult to paint, only need to something in detail. I will share with you how to paint water droplet step by step. So I already have painted water droplets, two types of the water droplet. This one and this one is a little bit different, the method. So I'm going to show you a really quick and easy method of two ways in watercolor. One is to draw on the white background and another is draw water droplet on the dark background. It means to add colors on the water droplet or to take out some color from water droplets from paper. Anyway, let's get started, okay? The first thing is that I'm trying to make a dark value of half paper. So before I draw water droplet with a pencil, I'm going to try a little bit bigger than before that one. So I wanna draw that size. Another one is try this size. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to use this brush. DaVinci brush, Escoda brush, and this one is for some takeout color from the water droplet. So this is for oil painting brush and colors. This one is Indigo and this burnt umber. Okay. If you want to add some brown color, why not? We're gonna try. Okay, this is burnt umber, so I wanna mix a little bit of indigo color. First, draw this water droplet shape. Here is a highlight area, this white space. This area make step by step going a light color. Here is a reflected light area, so this area very light, almost similar with this space. Take out some color from here. Okay, next for the shadow area. There is a kind of triangle shape. Oh, I forgot. Light is coming from this way. Here. Light. the top side. Also, we need to save this white area for the light, reflected light from this. I'm going to, after this water droplet dry, I'm going to touch up a little more. Okay, and now I wanna wait this paper dried. Okay, oh, this one is not dry yet, so I'm going to use this dryer or let it dry for a few minutes. I'm going to give them some more depth, so give more dark area. So I'm adding burnt umber, little more space, under little more space. Yep. Okay, this paper all dried and we cannot see any water droplet lines, so I draw again this water droplet shape. I'm going to try like that. Okay, first of all, we're gonna take off some color from here, this area. So actually this here is the highlight area. I'm using a oil paint brush. Here is reflected light from the sun, so we take out some color, so almost like highlight value of color. I take off this color from here too much, so I need to add some indigo color. Here is highlight area. Add some highlight area, so I'm going to use this white gouache. But if you have any kind of white watercolor or any type of the white value pastel or some jello pen, yeah, you could use it. And for highlight area, I want to touch it just a little bit. I'm not satisfied this water droplet, so I'm gonna try one more time. Take out some color from here. Yep. Oh, I have some paper problem. Okay, that's enough. And then finally, you could some dark value color in the background for here. Alright, we are all done this painting. Which water droplet is your favorite one? Leave please comment section.